let go. That B4K, let go. You fuck nigga playing this song.
No, it's on me.
We still have emotion. We still in the hood, them souls. We still have emotion. Let's go. Still have emotion, we still get it in the hood with a fin, just me and my soul. Free out my niggas who locked in the pen, my big cutter Joseph off a Motorola. My niggas got life, but he rockin' and rollin'. He play with my bro, we gon' strike it, we bowlin'. Bitch, I'm from the J where it get a little cold. I'm hanging with niggas who be a little older. I be with the niggas who be a little wise, but we still up to fight.
What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in with another vlog, and today you can see we're with the old schools. SS is about to go. I know, let me go ahead and get a good old thumbnail. The SS is selling today. Dunk's about to get worked on in another hour. Need to hook up the ignition switch. Clean it out a little bit. Need to find a tire. As you can see, it's sitting on bricks. Might have to get new spark plugs. I'm not sure if they're fouled out from all the gas getting dumped from the carburetor. Carburetor is a little too big, but it's okay. Still working. Yeah, other than that, don't have too much planned. Might go to Lubbock tonight, so this might be one of the best vlogs I dropped this month. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, do all of that. Only up from here. Just need to get more consistent with the vlogs. Rodeo vlog will be dropping, what's today? Saturday the 29th, I believe. Need to get that out today, honestly. Need to get more consistent, at least 2 videos a week. I don't really have enough content to just consistently drop, because it should be entertaining. It's more quality over quantity. Yeah. But anyways, y'all stay tuned. About to get ready and wash the SS, take off the license plate. We'll be getting drove back to Dallas today. Car's ready. Little exhaust leak, headliner, paint, you know, the basic things. Other than that, SS is pretty solid. So want to see more car content, y'all just subscribe, like, do all of that, because only up from here. Now I'm headed to AutoZone, about to go get what am I about to get? Light bulb, and about to get a foot of that what you call it, hose, because need that for the dunk, for the brakes. Then need that light bulb for the headlights on the SS. The driver's side is out, so about to go ahead and fix that real quick, get it road ready. All fluids are good. Had an oil change before I parked it for months. Transmission pan is the only thing that needs to be done. The gasket went bad in it, so that car just needs maintenance, honestly. Like I was telling people, $3,000. Well, if you get like a good paint job, maybe like $6,000 total with all parts and labor and the mechanics that needs to be fixed, that car will be a $15,000 car easily. So letting it go for $8, really a good deal. If he doesn't want it, honestly, I don't care. Just give me more time to save and look and maybe dump into the car. I was telling him, if it isn't sold soon, just don't fix it. Just been trying to work on my dunk slowly and get a few other things done. But y'all stay tuned. About to go in AutoZone. Come with me. We control the traffic. We control the traffic. Just came back from AutoZone. I forgot to record in there. Look at this. Leaking all that fluid, water from the freaking car getting washed. Come to show y'all, it looks a little better. Wish I was rich. Let's see. Inside still clean, still in a decent condition. Ain't too bad, but about to get ready and change the light. After that, get ready for my mechanic to come and fix the dunk. After that, nothing else, but y'all stay tuned. As you can see, in a different car, headed back to AutoZone. Forgot to clock back in with y'all after I went earlier. Went to go get some hose that was too short. Then got a light bulb for the SS. Freaking SS is overheating. The buyer is here, so update y'all on that. Don't know what the fuck is wrong with the dunk. Was starting, now it's not starting. Might pull off the intake, check everything that's internal, like top of the pistons, lifters, cam. Make sure it's not no chips in the cam. I honestly don't know what's going on with the dunk, but we will get that. I don't know. We will get that on the road soon. Or if not, I'll put a 6.2 in it. Because at this point, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a lot of money, but it's like very inconvenient. All the little things I run into, but that's what comes with a project, honestly. So can't complain too much, but Jesus, be nice just to, start it up, get my roller rockers adjusted once, and it freaking starts. But fuck it, who knows? Who cares? Who knows? Who cares? But I'm kind of rushing, so I'm not gonna record in here. Y'all just be ready to see the SS and see if it goes. Back in the SS, see the temperature gauge. No. It take a minute. I think the SS is about to sell. Like I was saying before, temperature gauge. Have to go get some Freon so the clutch can engage. I guess it was low. AC wasn't getting cold. Guy drove 5 hours. I don't know what the fuck is going on with the dunk, man. I really don't. But yeah, it's cold now. But this man, I really don't know what's going on with this. This is my main concern right now. Yeah, I don't know, man. I really don't know what the fuck is going on with the dunk. Might motor swap it. I might just go buy a drop and say fuck this dunk. But hey, I guess you gotta pay to play. Y'all stay tuned. Let you know what's going on with this dunk. The clutch is engaging now, so shit's staying cool. First fan is kicking on. Second one, I don't know why it's not engaging. The time has come, man. The SS is gone. I know. A lot of y'all will be disappointed. That is my highest viewed video, buying the SS. Now, the SS is gone. The buyer is here from Dallas. I'm gonna hurry up and let him get on the road. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. It's on its way out. Buyers from Dallas. Dunk is having problems. Don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. So y'all stay tuned. Might go to Lubbock tonight. Not sure. Problems. Like, subscribe, do all of that. We're lit tonight. SS is gone, man. Like that. And he came in a big boy truck. Sheesh.